Dude, the gas grenades are driving me mental. Gas, stun, flash, semtex, holy fucking shit. I filled
Did
your
you
water
really just
lines with cough
crouch?
syrup. Firecracker in the breathing machine. It's a cool prank.
Lord knows Twitch loves me. Thank you, Purple Platform.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Purple
I'm not
TV
even on the
Man.
team. I'm not even on the team.
I went 103 and 1, bro. I do, like, your dick is so small, man. It can never satisfy me enough.
I don't mean personally attack me.
You said complain, I'm complaining.
About something in the game.
There's a bush that looks at me funny and it. Kind of horny, I don't know.
I'm sorry, did you just say it makes you horny? Give me a cool fact to end off the stream.
Dolphins are the only other animal that have sex for fun instead of reproduction.
You know that there's more planes in the water than there are submarines in the sky?
Yo, that's fucking huge. You know the amount of nipples on planet Earth is double the population?
Bro. Did you know girls have boobs?
Yo, for real?
Bro, I haven't seen a pair yet, but I'm telling you, I'm pretty sure they're gonna be just amazing. Guys with boobs, that's where it's at.
That's true. The moobs, moob clan
Yep.
rise.
Yes, sir. Sweaty moobs. Get your hands nice and moist and get a nice stench on them, and you want to throw up thinking of that.
Terrible. Everyone else makes it look like it's the best fucking gun in the game, but in my hands, it might as well be a Nerf blaster. Dog shit. I don't understand how people are making their guns so strong.